talking about that. I got an image right here talking about this very subject.
Okay, North Korea. Okay, North Korea. Right now is running its drugs. It's trying to. My guess is the son, who is trying to put himself set forth in a position in the world, and saying that he's a big man on campus, is actually trying to position himself.
We get the image of this.
He's doing all the things. You got a picture of him sitting at a desk with his generals at what they call a briefing, and with war plans on the wall and everything else.
Right.
Like choreographing. It's similar to what Obama does when his press conferences. He choreographs things.
Right.
All communist people do. And he's acting up, but he's suspended the treaty. Don't forget, it's not a treaty, it was a ceasefire.
Right.
Suspended a ceasefire. There was never an end of the war in Korea. It was just a temporary ceasefire that lasted since 1953 to today. And that ceasefire, in effect, is over. He ended that a couple weeks ago. And now he's got all his missiles pointed in different directions. And one of the stories that came out today is not only talking to cities like LA and in others on the West Coast, Hawaii, and Alaska, but he also talked in Austin, Texas. And I'm saying to myself, what's Austin, Texas? Is he going to attack Rick Perry? Austin, Texas is the capital of Texas. So he wants to go after Rick Perry.
Right. My question is for you too. A little about Egypt, Syria, and what about South Korea too?
Okay. North Korea and Iran are working together in this. Venezuela is no longer involved in this because Chavez is dead, and we don't know which way he's flying. The guy took over temporarily. Now, as far as Syria is concerned, what came out the last few weeks is something we've talked about a couple of years ago. Is that what happened in Benghazi was an end result of actually gun running and to get guns and weapons to the Syrian rebels, which is really Al Qaeda,
right?
Who took down the towers,
right?
So, in actuality, Obama is supporting the people, that attacked us on 9/11,
right?
Where is the outrage? Where is our American Revolution? It's time to start it.
That's right. Good point. This is a huge problem here, and we have what we're posting up on the screen here is exactly a picture from North Korea itself right now. We actually do have it live.
I know, and so we're getting attacked there. We've been lied to. Benghazi. We still got people with Benghazi. Now you got. Don't forget. Also got this week. You got the homosexual attack on society.
Right.
And and that's another one. And the Supreme Court. And I got a story here from the.
Also, don't forget too that we actually have. You cannot.